welcome to All in a Game. I am Nupur and I have Preeti and Swara with me today for a game of word chain. So you guys know what word chain is? Alright, so let's just dive into the game. Alright, today's first word is by. What could be
Now.
the next one? By now. Okay, now. What is the next one? Now, come on. Guys, you know it.
Now.
Something that's generally written.
Oven.
Now, oven? No. But you're kind of close. So it sounds similar to oven. So what else could it be? Now,
Often.
often कैसे होगा? Often is 5-letter word. This is a 4-letter word.
OFEN.
Which school are you studying in, ma? Okay. Anyways, okay. It's not oven. It's not often. What else could it be? It sounds similar. Yes, you are giving me the rhyming words for it, but then not that one. Very, very easy this is. Come on. No, it's not easy. Try. Come on. I'm sure you guys know it by now. And you're like screaming right there, but then they can't hear it. So, yes, please. Come on, Swara, Preeti. What is it? Okay.
Now.
No. Now
When?
what? Now? Okay, when
OWEN.
No, it's not a name, no. So it's not OWEN wala oven either. Okay, this is the opposite for close.
Open.
Now open. So I said oven ka rhyming word is open. Okay. Next
Open.
one. Open. What it
We should put D over there so it will become door.
Open door. Acha, door. No. But it's not door, sadly. No, it's not D, it's M. So yes.
Mood.
Open mood. Okay. Kind of close, but that's not the right answer.
Open.
The mood depends on what?
Open mind.
Exactly. Open mind. Okay, perfect. Open mind it is. What is the next one? Mind?
Good.
No. Mind good is not an answer also. I mean, I can't mind good doesn't like really go. What else could it be?
Grow.
No. Okay, this is something like where we tell people, okay, don't play mind dash with me. That's the word here. Like when you're trying to manipulate somebody's thinking, what they're saying, like that. What could it be?
What is manipulate?
What is manipulate? Okay, what is manipulate? Okay, when they're trying to change your mind by saying things to you. Because if I give you another clue, you'll just say it. Yeah,
Google.
So no, it's not by Google. Like, Google is a longer word than this. This is a 4-letter word. Come on. We play this.
Game.
Mind game. That's where I said, they manipulate you. So they try to change your mind by playing mind games with you. Alright, what could be the next one? Game? This is a very commonly used term these days.
Names.
No, game names. Interesting. Very interesting one, but no, not names. No. What else could it be? This is a particular time when you play a game.
Night.
Game night it is. Alright. Okay, what could be the next one?
Star.
Star is 4 letters, Swara. This is 3. Come on.
Sun.
No. Night. Where is the sun in the night, ma? No, it's not
Opposite.
night sun. Okay, where is the
Night
sun?
sun.
No, not
Night
S-O-N.
sky.
Night sky. Yes, night sky it is. Okay, next one. What could it be? Sky?
Light.
Wow.
Wow.
Immediately this one came. Sky light. What could be the next one? Light?
Bomb.
No. Diwali is coming closer. That doesn't mean it's going to be a bomb. No.
Light. Light blue.
Light blue. Good one. No, that's not the correct answer though. But it's a very good one. Light blue. No. You said bomb. Okay. So it is kind of closer. So the last letter is the same. Change the letters in between and you will get the correct answer that has to come here. Come on. You understood what I said, right? The last
BMOB.
No. I'm not saying just interchange them. I said just change them. Use different.
Bomb.
What else?
Boom.
Something that we use at home. No, not boom.
Bulb.
Bulb. If you wouldn't have given this answer, one big bulb only. Light bulb. Yes. Okay. The last one. This is the last one, guys. Bulb.
Head.
No, it's a 6-letter word. Head is 4.
Header.
No. No. It's not a header, but yeah, again, you're kind of close. It's a different word though.
Holder. Bulb holder.
See, when I give you the clues, it comes in. Bulb holder it is. Okay. Took them some time, took them some clues, but yes, they got to the end of the word chain. Good one, guys. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this chain. And if you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, stay updated on all our latest quizzes and videos. Until then, with another word chain, with another quiz, we will see you soon.
Bye.